You see, our dear DAX, yes, DAX is very lovely, is a functional language that is used in Power BI, Excel Power Pivot, and SQL Server analysis services. And as a matter of fact, this language is very similar in terms of the looks, at least in terms of functions, with what we have in Microsoft Excel. And most of these functions basically actually do the same thing. We have the likes of the sum function, average, min, max, if function, and function, and a host of other functions like that. They are not less than 80 in numbers that we have available in Excel, and they are also available in DAX that we can make use of on Power BI. Now, apart from Power BI, Power Pivot, and SQL Server analysis services that make use of the DAX language, we also have some external tools where you can also write DAX. External tools like the DAX Studio and the Tabular Editor. And these tools basically allows us to, create some enhancement to what we can do with DAX naturally in our Power BI and the natural tools where we use DAX. So for example, with DAX Studio, you can debug DAX code, you can debug errors. With Tabular Editor, you can deploy DAX in batches and in larger quantity all at once into your model. So what do you need for you to be able to say, yes, this is DAX? I have seen DAX. So DAX is made up of functions, like we mentioned earlier, and it's also made up of operators. So we have operators like plus, minus, multiply, divide, greater than, less than, nearly all those functions that you see and you make use of in Excel. Operators rather, that you see and make use of in Excel are also available here in DAX. You use all these operators in many other programming languages as well. So, but the last two that you can see there, the one that has the double ampersand and the one that carries the double pipe, operators that are used in place of the functions and the function or, which I like to use this rather than the and or function because they are pretty much straightforward to use. And DAX can also be made up of simple expressions like 2 plus 2, 6 divided by 3. So you really don't need to, put up functions before you say you have written DAX. Expressions as simple as 2 plus 2 can also be regarded as DAX.